Cooler Master NR200P Max V2 Mini-ITX PC case bundle review, the easiest SFF build ever. Why does building a small PC feel like solving a puzzle with half the pieces missing? I once spent 3 hours sourcing an SFX PSU, a 240mm AIO, and a riser cable separately, only to realize they barely fit together in the case. Total disaster. Drop a comment if your ITX build has ever turned into an overnight ordeal. That tight pressure in your chest when you realize the cables are too long, the GPU barely clears the radiator, and nothing routes cleanly is genuinely exhausting. You try shorter cables, a different cooler, and still the build looks chaotic. Standard fixes just push the problem around. But what if one box handled all of it from the start? Don't just pick any Mini-ITX case. Make sure it has a bundled AIO, PSU, and riser cable so you never suffer through sourcing mismatched SFF components again. That realization led me straight to the Cooler Master NR200P Max V2 Mini-ITX PC case bundle. And honestly, it felt like cheating in the best possible way. Everything you normally stress over is already inside. The 280mm top-mounted AIO handles AMD Ryzen 9 and Intel Core Ultra 9 without breaking a sweat. The 850-watt SFX Gold PSU delivers up to 600 watts directly to your GPU with custom short-length cables. The PCIe 4.0 riser and vertical GPU mount support cards up to 357.6 millimeters, including the RTX 5080 and RX 9780 XT. A content creator building his first ITX rig nearly canceled the project after cable sourcing chaos nearly cost him a weekend. One delivery of the Max V2 changed everything. He had a running system by that evening. Let me be honest, the rear cable routing space is tight, so plan your cable flattening carefully, but the rest, shockingly clean. After living with this build for months, the daily experience is noticeably calmer. No mystery thermals, no cable tension near the GPU connector, no wondering whether the PSU can handle a power spike. The 90-degree PCIe 5.1 style cable design reduces connector stress in ways you stop thinking about because nothing goes wrong. A tech analyst described the NR200P Max V2 as unbeatable value compared to premium boutique ITX cases, noting the heavy, quality metal construction and the tool-free panel system made it feel premium without the premium sourcing nightmare. One reviewer who built 2 systems, one for home and one for work, said both stayed cool and he essentially set them and forgot about them. An industry observer noted that first-time SFF builders repeatedly cited this bundle as the reason they finally committed to the format. Now, is the price higher than a bare ITX case? Yes, but when you factor in a quality 280mm AIO, an 850-watt SFX Gold PSU, and a PCIe 4.0 riser, buying separately almost always costs more. Which part of the bundle matters most to you? The cooler, the PSU, or the riser setup? And this kind of confidence is exactly what the final step is built on. The Cooler Master NR200P Max V2 Mini-ITX PC case bundle turns one of the most stressful build formats into something genuinely manageable. Thousands of SFF enthusiasts and first-time compact builders are already running smooth, quiet systems with this exact setup, though results may vary depending on your specific component choices. If a compact, high-performance build has been sitting on your wish list, the affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment. Go check it out. You deserve a build that actually works together.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.